Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today in this video, we are going to cover the top 13 network security certifications. Earning professional network security certifications becomes a crucial differentiator when it comes to job prospects and career progression. These certifications validate your knowledge and skills required for carrying out network security activities proficiently. So friends, today in this video, we are going to provide you a comprehensive list of 13 most significant network security certifications recognized worldwide. So here is the complete list and we are going to discuss each certification one by one. The first certification is CCIE Security. CCIE Security is the highest level of security certifications provided by Cisco and carries huge significance worldwide. To achieve CCIE certification, you have to pass two exams. First, qualifying security core exam. The security core exam cost is $400. The second exam is hands-on lab exam. This 8 hours hands-on lab exam examines your skills and expertise right from designing, deploying to operating and optimizing security Cisco solutions. The exam cost for CCIE Security Lab is $1,600. Here is the complete CCIE Security examination information in front of you. The second examination is Cisco Certified Network Professional Security CCNP Security. Achieving CCNP Security certification proves your skills with security solutions. To earn CCNP Security certification, you have to pass two exams, one that covers core security technologies and one security concentration exam of your choice. So you can customize your certificate to your technical area of focus. Do check out the complete CCNP security examination information from here. The third certification is Palo Alto Networks Certified Network Security Engineer PCNSE. The PCNSE certification validates professional knowledge to design, install, configure, maintain and troubleshoot Palo Alto Networks next generation firewalls and their understanding of overall Palo Alto product portfolio. Please find the complete examination details from here. The fourth certification is Checkpoint Certified Admin CCSA. Checkpoint Software Technologies offers the Checkpoint Certified Admin program. CCSA, that is Checkpoint Certified Security Admin, authorizes that you have the required knowledge to start up, configure and manage daily operations of checkpoint security gateways and management software blade system. The fifth certification is Checkpoint Certified Expert CCSE. The Checkpoint Certified Expert certification validates the knowledge to build, modify, deploy and troubleshoot checkpoint security systems. It tests your hands-on skills to debug firewall processes, optimize VPN configuration and performance, and upgrade management servers. It is advisable to have complete Security Administration course or CCSA certification before attempting this CCSE certification. Find the examination details of Checkpoint CCSA and CCSE certification from here. The sixth certification is Juniper Network Certified Internet Specialist Security JNCIS Security. Juniper Network offers Internet Security Specialist certification for professionals experienced in using Juniper Network Junos operating system for SRX series of devices. This certification authenticates your understanding of application security, advanced security policies, advanced threat prevention, high availability, clustering, virtual SRX, Juniper Identity Management Services, SSL, proxy, Juniper Secure Analytics, that is JSA. You can find the examination information about this certification from here. The seventh certification is Juniper Network Certified Professional Security JNCIP Security. Juniper Network Certified Security Professional JNCIP Security certification covers advanced knowledge of the Juniper Network Junos operating system for SRX series devices. This certification validates your knowledge and skills regarding firewall filters, troubleshooting security policies and zones, advanced threat protection, edge security, compliance, threat migration, tenant system, layer 2 security, advanced network address translation, netting and advanced IP security. Find the examination information about this examination from here. The eighth certification is Juniper Network Certified Expert Security JNCIE Security. The highest possible security certification offered by Juniper Network is called Security Expert. This certification is a 6 hours long practical exam which examines the knowledge and skills to deploy, configure, manage and troubleshoot Junos-based security platforms. Here is the examination information about this certification. The 9th certification is AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty. The AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty certification authenticates the candidate knowledge and skills required to design, develop and deploy cloud-based solutions using AWS and implement core AWS services. You can also design and maintain network architecture for AWS services and automate AWS network tasks after this certification. AWS recommends that candidates should hold AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, AWS Certified Solution Architect, Associate and AWS Certified Developer Associate or AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate before appearing for this Advanced Networking Specialty program. Here is the AWS Advanced Networking Specialty program examination information. The 10th certification on our list is Fortinet Network Security Architect NSE-7. The Fortinet Network Security Architect NSE-7 certification is ideal for network and security professionals having hands-on experience using Fortinet solutions for designing, administration and support of security infrastructures. The NSE-7 Network Security Architect certification acknowledges your ability to deploy, administer and troubleshoot Fortinet security solution. To become NSE-7 certified, you must pass at least one of the following examination. Here is the examination information about NSE-7 certification. The 11th certification is Fortinet Network Security Expert NSE-8. This certification is recommended for networking security experts who have hands-on work experience on Fortinet solutions. There is a written and practical exam and you must pass both exams to obtain Fortinet NSE-8 certification. First exam is NSE-8 written exam. It consists of questions regarding design scenarios, configuration extract, troubleshooting scenarios to validate your knowledge and experience about security, networking and Fortinet solutions. The second exam is Fortinet NSE-8 practical exam. Two days hands-on evaluation that requires you to configure and validate a complete network topology involving multiple Fortinet products. The 12th examination is CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus is a global certification that focuses on latest techniques in risk management, risk mitigation, threat management and intrusion detection. It tests your knowledge regarding threats, attacks and vulnerabilities and also about identity and access management. This exam also tests your knowledge about architecture and design, cryptography as well as PQI. Check out CompTIA Security Plus examination information from here. The 13th certification on our list is by EC Council, that is Certified Ethical Hacker CEH. An ethical hacker is specifically engaged by organizations to assess whether it is possible to breach the security and bypass the systems and gain access to its data and information. EC Council is a premier organization to offer this certification. You can find the information about this course from here. So that's all friend for this video. Hope you like this video. Do share your feedback about this video in the comment section below.